right, special thanks to this company who were nice enough to send me their laptop book bag. Let's unbag it and take a look at it. Ooh, I like the orange. I like the orange. So there's a little tag, guaranteed quality. Nice. Ooh, wow, it feels nice. Has that like raincoat feel almost. We go down here. Got a pocket right there to put some stuff in. Got a Velcro pocket here to put some more stuff in. And then the important part, inside, where your laptop can go right in the middle, and then you can even have more stuff on either side. You could probably fit more than one laptop in here, actually. There's actually a USB port, so that's pretty cool. So like you could plug this into your laptop and it would be giving this USB port power, so like you could charge your phone or something like that. That's a pretty nice little feature. The sides here are a little adjustable, so you can you know, if you need to tighten them, you can tighten them down, but you know, you could hold you a drink or something there. This does feel waterproof, I'll say. Got the handle here on top. We got straps that we can adjust back here. You know, I always wear mine super loose. There you go. And even got another strap here. But this is a very nice laptop bag, I think. I don't think you'd have to worry about anything really spilling and getting into it. Because like I said, it has, now I'm not saying it's fully waterproof, but it has that raincoat style filling, and you can just fit everything down in there. And the bright orange zippers are just amazing. So there we go. That should do it for this laptop book bag tour. Again, thanks to this company for sending it to me so I could show you guys exactly what you can get. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.